Hey guys, this is Hoshang and I'm the co-founder of Airbook. Today, I'm going to walk you through a use case where I'm going to identify my upselling opportunities to help users move from a lower tier plan to a higher tier plan. I'm going to identify my activated users on each of my pricing plans to understand if they are nearing the limits of their plan or are they frequently using some advanced features. This kind of analysis helps my product marketing as well as customer success teams personalize their outreach and help these users see value in moving to a higher plan. In order to do this, my HubSpot instance contains information around my contacts, who are my users now. What kind of company do they come from? What is their industry? What are their roles? What's the size of this organization that they come from? Whereas BigQuery has information around the product usage. What have they been using the most? What are their favorite features? And the billing plans that they have opted for. So to start this analysis, let's first find out how many of these leads have converted into product users. In order to do that, I'm going to query my contact object on HubSpot. Here are all the fields that I have available. I'm going to pull a SQL block. I'm going to name it product users, select the contact object from my HubSpot instance in this way, and write a SQL query to count the number of users that I have on the product. So this gives me a number. So I have about 109 product users. And now let's find out how they've been distributed across these pricing plans. How many users do I have on the free plan, the pro plan, team plan, or an enterprise plan? I'm going to query my BigQuery instance using another SQL block. And I'm going to quickly visualize this information here in this manner. Next, now let's take an example where I want to identify a list of activated users on the free plan who may see value in moving to a pro plan. And in order to define an activated users, we do this by understanding the users that have been hitting more than 60% of their usage limits. We've been inviting more than one collaborator to their workspace and have been integrating with more than one data sources at least. So here's how I'm going to find my list. I'm going to translate this business logic to a SQL query with some other information around their job title in this manner. This SQL block is going to give me a list of these users. And now I want to help my team prioritize these users better by the expected ARR that we might close if we convert them. So I'm going to help them visualize this data using a chart block on Airbook. And now let's do a total expected ARR count. Assuming if we close all these free activated users to the pro plan, we are going to close about $135,000 of ARR. So my team can now personalize outreach and reach out to them. I do the same for pro to the team plan as well as moving users from a team to an enterprise plan. This really helps my CS and product marketing teams get a holistic view of who are these users, have been using the product. So in all the communications that they have with them, they can help them see value in a higher plan. Can hide the SQL queries and share it with my team right here to make decisions collaboratively. Thank you.